What's up? This is John with Eminent Domain. I'm pretty much here introducing my next video. What I wanted to pretty much show you all was the street art that I pretty much came across when I went to El Salvador. I believe the city was San Salvador. Some nice street art. Pretty much been interested in street art since it's been about 10 years. I had a friend who pretty much, he was a great a graffiti artist, and overall, unfortunately, he lost his life, but he did some great things, and overall he pretty much introduced that passion, that love that I see when I look at art, street art, wall art, whatever you want to call it, graffiti art. So what I wanted to do was show you the video that I created displaying the different forms of the art in San Salvador. If you all want to see me do more videos about street art, subscribe. I will look at the analytics of this video, and from those numbers, I will decide whether or not I will stick with street art and make most of my videos based off what you all want. So if this video get a million views, I would definitely do more street art. Yeah, it's a little hot here in Vegas, but hey, it's about time. Hopefully this heat kills the corona. So with that being said, enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and definitely leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know if this is what you want me to do. I will do it. I'm here in Vegas. There's a lot of good street art. I would definitely go and look for it for you all and create more videos like this. When I go to LA, I would do the same thing. LA street art is great. So yes, definitely, if you want to see more, subscribe, give me the views, give me a million if that's possible. But with that being said, here we go. Please subscribe, like, and comment, or like, comment, and subscribe, or comment, like, subscribe, whatever order you want to do it in. But please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Eminent Domain Apparel.